Hello friends, good evening. In today's video, we are going to learn data cleaning. So we have sample data in the folder. File name is clean data. Select its name range and transform data. So here you can find various columns and you can see data is going horizontally. Jan, Feb, March. Actually, these are the values, sales values for respective subcategory and category and the customer name. So let's start. We see how to clean this data and use it for our projects. First, you can see we need to fill down these two columns. Select two columns, right click, fill and down. And we want data vertically, not horizontally. So first select these three columns because we want to unpivot remaining columns. Click on unpivot other columns and you can see the values. Change the name of the column 1 and value is okay, column 1. So this is the way we can treat the data and we can use pivot table, or we can do apply filters on this data and we can get the output accordingly. So this is done for this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Job at Punyanagari. Like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you.